going to show you one round of the SOMA Awakening Breathwork meditation. Orlando's going to follow along and I'm going to guide the instructions. So, Orlando has a hypoxymeter on his finger. This measures the blood oxygen levels and it will allow him to know exactly when he's in the state of hypoxia. So when this goes below 90, around 85% and below, what will happen is it will trigger this intermittent hypoxic state where this positive stress response happens and all the magic happens in the physiology. Okay, so you want to keep that on your finger and be aware of it for the first few times you do this. After that, you'll actually be able to feel yourself going into this hypoxic state and know that you're doing it correctly. Okay, so Orlando's also sitting in a comfortable position with his back straight, upright, legs crossed. Some people find it hard to sit like this for too long, so you can also sit in a chair with your back straight as well. The key is comfort. Okay, later on in the last phase of this experience, you're going to be doing it lying down. Okay, because it gets a lot more intense. But for the first 2 weeks at least, try and do this sitting up if you can, because that will allow the energy to move more freely through you, and it also allows you to really connect deeply with your energy within because of the various energy locks that we'll be applying during this. Okay, so get yourself comfortable and then you'll press play on the music. That's right. Now, just for a few moments, with your eyes closed, bring an awareness to your breath. That's right. Noticing how you breathe in and out on autopilot with no control over it. However, through conscious control, we can actually change our physiology. This is how we do it, by breathing in beats. So you can hear the rhythm now, the music. That signifies the inhale and the exhale. And you can even hear the inhale and the exhale in the music itself. So now you notice Orlando begins a phase of breathing in beats. So he's taking a deep, full yogic breath where his abdomen rises, then his chest, and then he lets go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a rhythm. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, out, 2, 3, 4. You notice his exhale, he makes a little sound. Sigh of good feelings. This actually allows you to get even more into relaxation with every exhale. That's right. You can also just blow out a sound that's continuous, or just like an ocean wave. The key is just to keep it very consistent and regular, rhythmical. That is the key for heart coherence. So what this rhythmic breathing does is it gets you into this physiological state called heart coherence. And this harmonizes all of the functions in the body. It brings you from a low energy state up towards a more higher energy state. That's right. Remember to breathe full air. creates an energy lock, a neck lock that prevents any more air entering into your lungs. And relax every single muscle in your body. And try and override the first sensation to breathe. You can even shrug your shoulders. You start feeling like you need to breathe. Your diaphragm just needs to loosen. Do a breaststroke like this, and you'll notice now that the hypoxymeter, the oxygen levels are starting to drop, going down below 90. Now he's in hypoxic state. To 84, 83. Great. 80. 79. 77, 75, doing a great job. 73, 72, amazing. 69, 68, he's in the 60s, doing amazing. Now the magic of this hypoxic state is creating a positive stress response in the body. Takes a small inhale and full exhale again to maintain this hypoxic state. Relaxing, keeping the neck lock, letting the neck drop down. See it's down to 53%. 55. This is beautiful. Several minutes in hypoxia now. Now you can notice the oxygen levels start to rise quickly. So, controlling the urge again. Taking a short inhale and full exhale again. Back into the hypoxia. Down to 67. Doing an amazing job. When you first do this, you don't worry too much if you don't reach these sorts of levels, because it takes some practice. Orlando's been doing this several times already, for several months. And now, you're going to get this big urge to breathe. You're going to fully inhale, and you're going to squeeze your mulabandha, put your neck down, and you can even suck in your abdomen slightly, sucking up, pulling up your diaphragm. Imagine you're like drawing up all the energy from your sex up through your spine, up into your head, boom, illuminating your head. You can even keep a neck lock again, maintaining the air now in your head. Energy starts to really spark up. Creative imagination of the midbrain. Then he's in hypoxia. Now you let out a nice tone. When you can't hold your breath any longer. Toning, you'll start feeling these good, amazing sensations moving through your body. And the toning allows this energy to spread all around the body. And you can even imagine looking up into your mind's eye, with your eyes closed, your eyes pointing towards your third eye, your pineal gland. So like this, with your eyes shut, and you can just visualize colors in your mind's eye right now. Sensations and lights. You may even see visions. You may have some thoughts and new ideas that emerge as you